Here, day 71, man. 71. Holy dude. I've said that before. August 1st today. I'm seeing my doctor at the end of the month. Now this is really the final stretch. Alright. We are climbing some stairs. We're taking a nice walk. Another beautiful, disgusting, gorgeous day today in the nation's capital. Being Ottawa, the capital of Canada. Little city, little country that I live in. Most people don't know what Canada is, but it's that country north of you guys where there's some polar bears, igloos. We say hey a lot. Hey? What's going on, hey? I love stereotypes. They fucking crack me up. Alright, we're done. Nice view here. Do I have it? These are so planned, man. Is there something I want to talk about today? No. Well, maybe there is. It is August 1st. And this is kind of another kick in the butt for me. Like, you know what, dude? The end of the month is coming. Even though I'm doing good, I need to push. I need to push, man. Oh, look at this. We're in a little tunnel area here. A little construction. What do you call it? Scaffolding on top? Is that what you call it? I'm French. Don't blame me, man. Oh, this is so nice. How do you call that sound? You guys hear that insect? In French, it's a cigale. You hear that when it's really warm. What's the sound? I want to hear that in the comments below. Man. You know what, by the time we're done this video, you guys are gonna see a nice view that I could promise you. And we've seen it before, but we're just coming from the other end this time. I've never vlogged from here before. I'm still coming up with new ideas to vlog, which is pretty darn cool. Cool, I had a Pink Floyd shirt on, nice. Pink Floyd, progressive rock, progressive metal, I'm a big fan of that. A lot of you don't know that. Thursday night, we're supposed to play Merry World. Wait, what the fuck, dude? We're supposed to play Merry Maker 2 tonight, but I'm still so into Rocket League. I apologize. It's all I want to play. I just want to get better and better at it. I've been working a lot on my car control lately. But whatever, dude. You're supposed to have what you're waiting. Oh, look at that. There's some beautiful views for you guys. Oh my god, look at that. Oh yeah. I'll show you guys the National Art Museum. Right over there. Isn't that gorgeous in the background? Wow, the Parliament buildings behind. Oh my god, dude, I'm blessed. Loving this awesome city. It's amazing, man. This video's gonna probably go up tonight. By the way, only a few hours left until I'm on vacation. About 2 hours to go. I had 2 meetings this morning. I had 2 meetings, but I have another one this afternoon. It's going to be pretty simple though. Show you guys the nice boats. Check out the boats. Very cool. Very cool. Oh man, the bridge I usually cross, but I don't have time to cross it today, sadly. We do not have time to cross it today, sadly, because we're just too busy. I've had meetings all morning, and then so my lunchtime is shorter than usual, which sucks, but we're still getting a walk in, and that's the important part, right? We're still moving. No excuses. No excuses to move. So that's cool. All right, guys. You know, give me another. You need to give me another 30 seconds, all right? Let's give me another 30 seconds. We'll wrap it up. I'll be a 5-minute video. Works for me, works for you. If you get till the end of this, if you get to this part of the video, you rock. You rock regardless. Oh, look at that. They're getting ready for the fireworks. They have some firework competition every year from different countries. They host them like every Wednesday and Saturday now, I guess, and they're getting ready to. I'll show you guys where they launch from, alright? I'll try to get a good view. I'm seeing it right now, but I'll show you guys. exactly where it is, alright? Sure if I could get closer here. So I lied, this is going to be more than a 5-minute video. That's okay though. I should be doing this. Yeah. Alright. Still moving closer and closer and closer. My arm's getting sore. I'm such a wimp, man. I'm such a wimp, dude. Alright, you know what? I should have taken a screenshot. Nah, that's gonna work actually. Cool. It's gonna be perfect. Alright. You guys can see behind me. Right down there. You guys see that? There's like a dock out of nowhere. That's where they're gonna have the fireworks competition from. I think they're gonna probably build upon the deck, but yeah. So Butler here. Please don't comment, don't like, thumbs down, and unsubscribe. And I'll see you guys tomorrow.